In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and play Snake.io with friends. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, before we even dive into this, you are going to need to unlock ranked mode first. This happens automatically once you've played 10 matches. After you've unlocked it, make sure you're in ranked mode, not in the casual mode, by selecting ranked mode right above the play button. Now, go ahead and look at the top left corner of your screen, and you're going to see a little party button. Go ahead and select that. And from here, you're going to have a few different options. You can either join a party by entering in a code, but in your case, you're going to want to hit create party. If you want your friends to join you, they need to enter in the party code that you are going to create, and you can see that code up in the top right corner. Essentially, just share that code with your friend and they'll paste it into that join party box. And once they do enter in that code, you'll now be connected and ready to team up here in Snake.io. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If this video tutorial did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.